So here's a great example of why you turn over rocks in the river when you're looking at what lure to put on. Okay, thanks for checking out this video. So today what I'm doing is I'm exploring a river that I've never fished before, but it's actually a fairly popular river very close to the city. So I've never fished it, I've heard good things. However, I'm not big on fishing where there's a lot of other angler pressure. So my strategy for today was banking on the fact that most people are probably going to fish where the river is close to trails or roads and they can access it easily. What I've done today is I grabbed my canoe and my pole and I put in at the bottom, and I'm going to pull my way up as far as I can go all day and see how the fishing is. At the end of the day, turn around and I'll pull my way back down to the car. Okay, so I've been pulling for quite a while now, probably an hour, hour and a half. The fishing hasn't been great so far, but I'm getting the sense that this river is probably still a bit low. Everything is just really shallow and there's nowhere for them to hold in the lower section, but what I'm hoping is that the further I get up, the more gradual the slope of the river will become, and I might find some deeper holes and pockets where fish might be holding. I just pulled up on a little spot here. I've come to a small beaver dam with a beaver pond up above, so I'm really hopeful that that's going to give me some deeper water to work with. But also, downstream of the beaver dam, there's a really nice channel, and it's the only spot on this trip so far that I've found that's like more than 12 inches deep. It's probably 2 to 3 feet deep, and I'm hoping that there might be a trout or two holding in there. So I'm going to stop and fish this, and then lift over the beaver dam and carry on upstream. I hope that was on camera. I just hooked one, but just a little guy. Okay, so I just had my first bit of success today. I left the canoe down here and I went upriver just to do a little prospecting with the fly rod, see what was going on. And I did actually find a nice foam line with a deep channel, and I did see a couple trout rise in there. So sure enough, a few casts later, I hooked a nice 6-7 inch brookie. So I've come back, I'm gonna grab the canoe, haul everything up there, and then hopefully set up the camera and try and catch another one on film. wasn't as big as the first one I caught, but I will take it. I think now I'm going to keep on making my way upriver. Alright, well, I feel like I fished this section pretty thoroughly. I got just one nice fish out of this pool, so I'm gonna move on. So yeah, let's get going. Alright, I was fishing this real tight spot, and now I'm into one. There he is there. Come on. There we go. Oh, he's beautiful.